about this whole section is the wooden vibe. Okay, the wooden vibe. Everything looks natural, floral settings. Very simple place to be actually. See this little plant over there. Look at the rubber, the next end. Yes. See the tables, wooden. Yes, so it's like they're promoting the eco-friendly vibe. It's a very nice place. See the roof. Yes, as well. It's also made with I think there's rattan like, yes, sheets, the one you use for mat houses kind of. It's very cute. I saw something very interesting. Can you see the Oware and the Ludo and another game there? We'll definitely play one of them before we leave here. One of the traditional games here in Ghana. Oware. It's been a very long time I played that game. Now I would definitely like to try it. So stick and stay and enjoy. I just charged them. My favorite snack now. Actual open 3 cedi no menya e brodo bebre. Three and 4 cedis. Thank you. Let's get in. Hey, I'm not seeing. Oh, lack of height. My people perish. So that's me. So they are still not in. So yeah, I'm just enjoying the serene environment. So they come. As you can see. The menu was given. Trust me, they are very affordable prices here. Very, very affordable. You should visit this place. It's very, very affordable. Like, be getting main dishes for 28 cedis. Wow. That alone will be enough. Trust me. Coconut rice. Pork. I mean, I'm just hoping to enjoy every bit of it here. So, since we are through, we'll be going for this. And we'll be buying extra fruits in addition. Okay. So yeah, that's it for the menu. They are here. Oh, the birthday girl and her friend. Let's come. They got missing. A little story time. They actually got missing and to the other branch, which is at the Salam Down. And I redirected them to the Osu branch, and then they just got here. So this is the entire view. Yes, palm moments. So please do well to try them. I'll give you reviews as well. Hey, Munsiana. Soon. Hey, last but found sheeps. Oh, I know. So much.